Apple just buried the biggest AI announcement. Your iPhone is about to get smarter than you think. Most people miss this because it happened quietly at WWDC. Here is exactly what Apple did not say directly. iOS 27 will have on-device AI that never touches Apple's servers. This changes everything you know about privacy and power. Your competitors are panicking right now. Why? Because Apple found something the industry thought was impossible. They made AI that runs entirely on your phone. No cloud needed. No data sent anywhere. This is the first time any company has done this at scale. You are about to see how this reshapes the entire tech landscape. But first, you need to understand what Apple actually built. Apple's iOS 27 uses neural processing that stays local. This means your phone learns from you, not from servers. Your data never leaves your device. Google and Microsoft cannot match this right now. They rely on cloud processing because their phones are too weak. Apple's new chip architecture is different. The A18 Pro processor has dedicated AI hardware. It runs language models with billions of parameters locally. Think about what this means for you. Your photos get smarter at recognizing faces without uploading anything. Your keyboard predicts text without sending it anywhere. Siri understands context from your entire phone history without sharing it. This is the privacy shift nobody expected. Here is what happens in the next section that will blow your mind. Siri is not the same voice assistant anymore. Apple rebuilt it from scratch using generative AI. The new Siri understands your phone better than you do. It can read your emails, texts, and apps in real time. It connects actions across your entire digital life. You ask Siri one question. It now automatically combines information from 10 different places. Your calendar, messages, photos, notes, and contacts all get accessed instantly. This creates context that competitors simply do not have. Google Assistant can do single tasks well. Siri now does multi-step sequences without asking for clarification. One example, you say send a message to my team about tomorrow's meeting. The old Siri would need 5 follow-up questions. New Siri reads your calendar, creates the message, checks who attended previous meetings, and sends it in 2 seconds. Your productivity just doubled. But wait, there is something even bigger happening next. This is where the competitive advantage becomes obvious. Apple is betting on privacy. Google and Microsoft are betting on data collection. 2 completely different philosophies. Apple keeps everything local. Google needs cloud servers to function. Microsoft's Copilot reads your entire Microsoft account data to work properly. You can see the risk immediately. Apple users have zero risk of their AI data leaking. Google and Microsoft users are 1 hack away from their entire life being exposed. This matters because over 2 billion iPhones exist globally. If even 50% upgrade to iOS 27, Apple now has the largest on-device AI network on Earth. No other company has this scale with local processing. This becomes a moat that competitors cannot cross. Your data stays yours. Their data goes to massive data centers. The economics of this are stunning. Apple saves money on servers while protecting privacy. Google and Microsoft spend billions on cloud infrastructure while collecting your data. One model is sustainable. The other is not. Here is what you need to know about timing. iOS 27 drops in exactly 4 months from this video. Not all features come at once. Apple is rolling them out in phases. Phase 1 includes smarter Siri and photo recognition. Phase 2 adds writing assistance and email intelligence. Phase 3 unlocks cross-device AI coordination. This staggered approach matters. Apple is testing each feature with millions of real users before full release. Your iPhone becomes more intelligent every month. The real impact hits when you realize this changes app design completely. Developers must rethink how they build applications. If Apple handles AI locally, third-party apps no longer need AI features. This disrupts ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Copilot immediately. These apps become less necessary on iPhones. Developers will choose to build on Apple's AI framework instead. Your experience becomes seamless and integrated. What comes next is the most important part. Here is how this affects you personally. Your iPhone becomes proactive instead of reactive. It predicts what you need before you ask. Reading an article about restaurants, Siri suggests reservations from your preferred locations. Your battery life improves because processing happens locally. No constant data transmission drains your battery. Your phone works faster because data does not leave the device. Network speeds no longer matter for AI features. Your Wi-Fi could be terrible, and Siri still responds instantly. Your focus mode becomes intelligent. Apple reads your schedule and notifications, then creates the perfect distraction-free environment automatically. Your voice commands finally work without the internet. Your photos organize themselves using AI that is actually private. Your notes become searchable with real understanding of meaning, not just keywords. This is the future, and it arrives in 4 months. But here is what most people will miss. The next section reveals everything you need to do right now. Number 1. iOS 27 AI is fundamentally different because it stays on your device. Your privacy becomes the default, not an option. Number 2. Apple's strategy will force Google and Microsoft to rethink everything. The cloud-based AI era is ending. Local processing is the future. Number 3. The iPhone advantage in AI grows wider, not narrower. This makes Apple the clear leader in consumer AI. Here is what you do now. Subscribe to AI Pulse for daily coverage of artificial intelligence breakthroughs and tech innovation that actually matters. We break down the stories that companies hope you miss. Hit the notification bell so you never fall behind on AI news again.